through 2025, we've been working on a new form of medicine called foundational medicine. What is foundational medicine? Foundational medicine looks at putting in the foundations for every single disease. Foundational medicine is not alternative medicine. It doesn't tell you not to take your medical treatment. It doesn't tell you to just look at nutrition alone. Foundational medicine is something that we and our advisory board of top doctors from across the country, we have come together to understand that every disease has a treatment, but the treatment is more powerful if your foundation is right. You can have the best nutrition plan, but your foundations are wrong. You could be taking the best chemotherapy. You could be taking the best diabetic drugs. But if your foundation is not set, you're on chronic medication, you never really recover, or you recover and you have relapses again. So whether someone has cancer, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, and while you take your treatment, foundational medicine looks deeply into the medicines that you're taking. What side effects do they have? What changes are they bringing about in your body with your immune system, inflammation, vitamin deficiencies or depletions? How is it changing your body negatively while in its honest attempt to treat the symptom? Foundational medicine looks at all of the science and research and puts together a very solid system which revolves around cellular nutrition, your movement and exercise, building great sleep habits, your emotional health and your mental health, your environment within you, outside of you, your breath, the side effects of medicine, how it affects your body. How can you minimize these side effects or negate them by building the right foundations? Everyone needs the right foundations for anything in life to work. Foundational medicine even goes deeper into relationships. Why do relationships fail? Why is there conflict which eventually becomes toxic? What are the foundations that are not set right in relationships? What are the foundations that children need to build healthy lives? What are the foundations that a man and a woman deciding to have a child need to go through a healthy pregnancy? What do senior citizens need at this point in life? What foundations do they need to strengthen so that they can age gracefully? We launch in 2026 foundational medicine. It's a huge, huge part of integrative and lifestyle medicine. Just working with the foundations so that the effectiveness of your medication increases if you are on medicine, or foundational medicine becomes your most powerful preventive medicine protocol when it comes to preventing disease. We invite all of you to explore foundational medicine. Every one of our nutritionists, every one of our doctors are now trained on foundational medicine to add that value to the journey that you have with us. Remember, you're not here to be treated. We need to move from treatment to recovery. Some of you will need medicine. Do it the right way with minimum collateral damage to your body. Some of you don't want to be on medicine, and you don't have to yet, so you invest in prevention. Foundational medicine is very, very personalized because everyone's body is different. Some of you may be carb efficient. Some of you may not enjoy weight training. Some of you may need just 6 hours of sleep and not 8 hours of sleep. Some of you have different coping mechanisms when it comes to emotions and mental health. And that's why foundational medicine will always focus in the paradigm of being personalized, understanding bio-individuality, that everyone is different. What works for someone doesn't have to work for you. How someone else may respond to a medication will be very different how you respond to the same medication. So foundational medicine goes deep into your life, looking at your foundations, then building them or strengthening them. And then you build on those foundations. Now your nutrition becomes more effective. Now your exercise becomes more effective. Now you can derive the benefits of deep sleep. And now your emotional wellness helps you to live a happier life, which has a direct impact on trillions of cells in the human body. Welcome to Foundational Medicine 2026.